同学们下午好 classmates, good afternoon. 大家好 everybody, hello. I'm so excited to again share this video with you. This time we will be talking about time. So saying time or talking time in Mandarin is not difficult. Actually, you only need to memorize fluently the numbers, especially 0, 1 to 60, because minutes, we have 60 minutes. And then for time, we have 12 hours. So we need the 12. And the rest of the numbers, the 0 is also in very important, because when the minute is less than 10 minutes, so like example 7 minutes, you have to mention first ling before the digit. And then also you need to familiarize yourself with how the Chinese people translated AM PM in Mandarin. They have split the 24 hours into 5 brackets. Okay, so they have the dawn, the early morning, the morning, the afternoon, the evening. So they have a set of time span for each bracket. So example, for dawn. Dawn in Mandarin is Ling Chen. Ling Chen. Early morning, it is Zao Shang. So as we have said, when third tone is followed by fourth tone, you can only say the half tone of the third tone. Zao Shang. Morning is Shang Wu. Afternoon is Xia Wu. So the difference is when it is before afternoon, it is Shang Wu. When it is afternoon, it is already Xia Wu. And then we have the evening, which is Wan Shang. Ling Chen, it will start after 12 midnight till 5 a.m. Zao Shang, it will start from after 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Shang Wu, it will be from after 9 a.m. before 12 noon, because 12 mid noon will be Zhong Wu. So for afternoon, it will be after 12 mid noon to before 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Okay, for evening, it will be from after 6 p.m. or 6 p.m. and up to before 12 midnight, because 12 midnight, they call it Pan. Pan, yeah, it is all four tone. Pan, yeah. So let us also, we need to know the keywords for the time, like the o'clock, which is Tian. The minute, it is Fen. 15 minutes will be I K. So you might wonder why the I, the number 1, become second tone. Actually, it is first tone. There's also a change tone. So when it is followed by fourth tone, it will become second tone. I K. For 30 minutes or half an hour, they call it Pan. For 45 minutes, since it is already 3/4, so quarter, actually it is called K. So 3/4, it will be San K. I hope you have followed our lesson. Also, I want to mention this. Every time they say the time, the AM or the PM will be mentioned first and then followed by the time. So I have some examples here. So example, 1:07 a.m. So 1 o'clock a.m. is under Ling Chern. It is still dawn. So they will translate it into, so as I have mentioned, it is AM PM will comes first. So it will now be Ling Chern Yi Tian Ling Qi Fen. Have you observed before the 7, since it is below 10 minutes, there's a 0. You need to mention the 0. Okay. Next is 2:15 p.m. So 2:15 p.m. belong to the afternoon. So you have first to mention 下午2点一刻. Have you observed during our lesson before about numbers, the other term for is liang when it is followed by a unit of measurement, because o'clock is a unit of measurement of time. So your now will become liang. Follow? Liang. And then next we have 7:35 a.m. So 7:35 will be from 5 a.m. to 9. So it will be 早上. So you have first to mention 早上7:35. Next example is 8:45 p.m. So the time belongs to evening. So 晚上8点3刻. The next example is 12 midnight. So 12 midnight, you'll just say it 12点半. Yeah. 12点半夜, or just say 半夜. It is already understood that it's midnight. So for 12 o'clock mid-noon, you say it 12点. Okay, 中午12点, or just plainly 中午. It is already understood it is mid-noon. Also, one is I have not given you example for the morning. So morning will be from 5 to 9. Example, it is 8:20 a.m. So it will belong to 上午. So you first have to mention 上午8:20. So that will all for time. I hope you have learned something about our lesson.